Welcome in MOOC tutorial MBA RT menu. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to do MOOC. So if you're an MBA student and you're learning in RT menu, Nagpur University, so maybe you're thinking about the MOOC. So guys, if you're thinking about the MOOC, there will be the three questions comes in your mind. First is selection of course, second is duration of course, and third is registration. Don't think about it. In this video, I'm going to explain you all these three questions. So first question was selection of course. So selection of course should be related to your branch and your syllabus. So first go to your syllabus and see that which points are given in your syllabus. If you are doing MBA in marketing, then go for the marketing syllabus and choose the point or the course related to your syllabus. It will enhance your resume as well as it will help for credit marks. Next, students, maybe you're thinking about duration of course. So I'm going to explain you how the course duration should be selected. So there are three type of courses are available on MOOC, means NPTEL. 4-week courses, it may be for 2 credit, 8-week courses 3 to 4 credit, and 12-week courses for 4 to 6 credits. Credits should be vary. It may vary according to the direction of the RT menu, but I will suggest you go for the 8-week course because they are having a good credit as well as it will take less time to prepare for examination. Next, maybe you're thinking how to register. So you have option of NPTEL to register, and next is Swayam. If you're registering from NPTEL website, you will have to go to Swayam. So guys, take your mobile and start registering. If you have laptop, then you can register from laptop also. Now I'm going to explain you how to register by demonstration. Okay, I'm going to explain you how to registration in your local language. First of all, you have to download Swayam application for it. So students, after downloading Swayam app, this type of interface will open. You have to skip this information, go to the 3 lines given on right hand side, top to the right hand side. Okay, now go to your profile. My profile is there, so click on it. My profile is open. Now you have to edit your name, mobile number, email ID, which age groups you belongs. Means if you are 26 years, so you have to select 20 to 30. Country, then profession, means if you are a student, if you are faculty, if you are employee or other, you can select it. Higher qualification, so I have mentioned here master degree, and year of graduation. Then you have to click on the tabs. Okay, so now click on next. Here only you are giving your information for registration. Now there is a question about the local chapter. If you or your college, if you are a faculty, but if you are a student, then there is no need of worry about these things. If you are belongings to local chapter, then click yes. If you are not, then no. State Maharashtra, city Wardha, college, if your college is registered or given in this list, then you can select there. If there is name is not mentioned, then you have to select the other and type your college name here. Next, college school roll number. It is essential, so I have given 5, but you can type it whatever you want to type, it doesn't matter. Next, degree, so which degree you are belongs to. So there are number of options: PhD, medical, arts, humanity, commerce, management. So I have selected commerce management if you are a management student. Next, department. So in commerce there are lots of departments, so you have to select the MBA. If you are an MBA student, then select MBA, means business administration. Next, they will ask you for which year you belong. So second year I have selected. You can select your year. If you are first year, if you are in first year, you can select first year. If you are in second, then select second year. Here is update because my information is already filled up here, so they are asking me for update, and now update is successful. So by this way you have to register, means give your information in system, feed your information in system. Now you have to go to the catalog, and here commerce and management, there are things given, so click on it. Commerce and management studies, then management study you will go. Here upcoming courses and ongoing courses are mentioned. So upcoming courses are these are upcoming courses according to your syllabus and your topic you have selected for doing the MOOC. You have to click on it. So yeah, I told you the week. So here week is also mentioned, 6 week course, when it will start, and when it will start. This type of things are given over here. So what you have to do, you have to just click on it and start using it. So I have clicked on the consumer buying behavior. So read this all the information mentioned here, and first of all you have to go to the same summary. In summary, there is one thing is given, that is type of course. It is core type of course. You have to think about the core course or elective course. And second thing, you should know about the level. If you are a masterate course pursuing person, then you have to go for the postgraduate course. If you are not, then you can go for the graduate course also. So it's on you, but you have to select the course according to your degree. If you are undergraduate, then go for the undergraduate course. If you are masterate or the postgraduate student, then you have to go for the postgraduate course. Course layout is mentioned in every single chapter or every single course. All these things are mentioned, book are mentioned, about authors, all the information are given here. So how you will get your certificate, the criteria also are given here, and lots of things whatever you want, this all information is given here. So here on screen you can see that go to course. I have already joined this course, that's why here go to this course is mentioned. But if you are a new student, then there will be join, okay, button of join, then you will click on join, you will get join in the course. So this type of things is on screen because this course is not started. This course will start from July 2020, 27 July 2020. So students, I will going to explain you about one more thing. I just want to tell you about one more thing. If you have joined the course, then what thing will happen after joining the courses? So yeah, relationship management. So now once you join the course, you will get an email, and that email also tell you about the courses and the things. So once your course will start, week 0, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, this type of things you can see on this. If you click on the week, whatever week you are going through, so there are topics on which the information is given. So this type of things will happen, and you can attend those all the lectures according to your time convenience. Okay students, so you can do these all things very easily, and you can attend your course, your syllabus, your digital